Oh, yeah.
Corkboard closet.
That'd be good for an office.
Oh yeah, that would be good for an office. You could put, well, or a closet. You could put all kinds of stuff on, or for kids.
It's spacey.
Yeah, cool lamp. Neat. It tells you how big this room is. 136 square feet. And there's all the stuff that's in it. Here more. I like this clothes rack. Maybe I should get an artwork.
Yeah. What were you looking at? The clothes thing?
Yeah.
You want me to close it?
Yeah. Can hang things. Isn't that neat? Can make any dresser like a girly dress. It's little like cinnamon rolls. What's that? Make your own pizza. That's $7.99. Oh, look, here's a fruit basket. Oh, I love it. And a veggie basket. That's so fun. Ooh, it's at a play, like a play area for the dinosaurs. How cool. Do they sell dinosaurs also? Where is that?
Right here.
Oh, here, look. Dinosaur. Or no.
Yeah, a finger puppet.
Finger puppet. A little book rack. What is that?
It's like, I don't know, but it has, you maybe put your Hot Wheels on or G.I. Joe's or something.
They're playing a wall shelf.
I like the ladder.
For a mystery item. This little shelf. Got a garlic press. $4.99. That's a good price. Okay, this is like the coolest thing ever. So there's these little 3-packs of cutting boards, and they are $4.99. And then there's these little glass food containers, which are $2.99. And here's what you can do. They fit on top. So you can use the cutting board, and then the glass is like a dome cover. You can cut and then store, and it's like a lid. I'm loving that. They're cute. That's great. $2.99. I think these are really cute. They remind me of like a vintage orange juice thing. I don't know what I'd use it for, but I really like those. Okay, so I thought that I showed you this yesterday when I was in the store at Ikea, but now that I'm reviewing my video, I'm realizing that I did not. So I'm just going to film it here now and insert it into where it belongs in the video. This is a thermometer, timer, clock, no, alarm and clock. This was $4.99, and I bought 4 of these. No, 3 of these. Sorry. Because they were so cool. And it took me like 5 minutes in the store to figure out how to work this contraption. But once I figured it out, I was like, oh my gosh, these are awesome. So it's laying flat now on its back, but how you use it is you stand it up and you turn it. So right now I have it turned to timer, and then there's some buttons on the back to set the timer. And then to use the alarm feature, you turn it. To use the clock feature, you turn it. And it's also very nice. It has the day, the month, the year, day of the week, time, temperature. You turn it. When you're using the alarm and when you're using the timer, whoops, and it goes off, the way to reset it is to just turn it back again and it'll start again. But anyways, I was really thrilled with this and I thought it was super fun. Very creative design, and I really wanted to show you guys this. Cool. Oh, it's burning. Oh, there it is. You can turn it and it gets brighter. That's cool. I don't know where I'd use it, but it is really cool. You can get it with the red face. You can get it with the black face. So cool. Well, I'm back from Ikea and I have all of my purchases here. I ended up spending $97.51. I had a great time. I got a lot of things I wanted to get, and I also couldn't get a lot of things I wanted to get. A lot of things were out of stock. These are like a make-your-own push-up pop freezer silicone little kit, and I bought 2 of these. These are $4.99 each. And then if you have small children, Ikea's little cups and bowls and plates are $1.99 a pack of 6. They're excellent quality and they last forever. The sets of cups I have right now I've had for probably 5 years, and they're just as great as they were when I bought them. They had a different color scheme. They changed these. I don't know if it's yearly or bi-yearly, but the color scheme changes a little. But we use these from the bathtub when we're washing hair. We use them for drinking. They're just really nice cups. And the plates, and I have a bunch of toddler wear and small children wear right now, but I'm gonna filter out some stuff and just go with that. And then you could get a 4-pack of spoons for $1. Unfortunately, I couldn't get a 4-pack of forks for $1, but I did get a set of 18, which is 6 of each. I don't give my little children the butter knives, but there's all the other ones in there. You can see I got a plain Ikea bag. It's $1.99. And I got this special pillow, ergonomical pillow. I thought I'd try one of these. I'm anxious to see how that goes. This is $14.99. And also a pink bag, $1.99, which I put all my stuff in. Got a little scrub brush for dishes. And these, I just thought were beautiful. They're so springy. They're little artificial pansies in little pots. And there's 3 of them. So I don't know what I'm going to do with those, but I just couldn't leave them. They were $3.99. Some more bag clips. If you've never seen these, they're great. A lot of times you can get an assortment pack of these larger ones and smaller ones also, but they were sold out of those. Got a set of funnels, 99 cents. These clocks, timers that I showed on my going through the store. I actually bought 3 of these because we always have a timer shortage here in this house. A little set of measuring spoons. I think they were $2.99. Set of scissors. I believe these were $1.99. I've bought these before. And the octopuses. We use these for hanging socks and just little things, washcloths, and we hang them on the clothesline. I line dry just about everything. And then also I showed you this in the shopping portion, these little cutting boards with the little glass containers that go with them. So I had a good time. I ended up not getting the drying racks I wanted, and Ikea was very, very busy. But it was a great time, a great day trip. Takes us about all day to get to an Ikea and get home, but it's always such a fun time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and check out my other videos.